Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Habits Week. My voice is going, oh wow. And I was kind of stuck for ideas, so I've decided to do how to break a bad habit. Don't know why I did this. Basically, I just thought that I would give you a couple of tips that might help you to break that habit that you've had for ages, and yeah. So first of all, you have to have the motivation to break the habit. If you're not really bothered or you're not really trying, you're not going to be able to break it, and you're just going to fail at it basically, and you're just going to carry on doing it. So you need to make sure you're motivated. Secondly, you have to make sure you remember, because if something is a habit, it sort of means that you're doing it without realizing, or you just start doing it randomly and you don't think about what you're doing. So I think you need to have it in the back of your mind constantly that you're trying to break this habit. And I think one thing that will help that is, another tip, only try to break one habit at a time, because if you try and do all of them at once, you're not going to be able to do it. So if you choose one at a time, and once you've broken one, then you can move on to a different one. So just keep it in the back of your mind that you're not allowed to do this habit. So the fourth tip is to do something that is going to make the habit less appealing or something. For example, for me, if I want to stop messing around with my nails, I will usually paint my nails, because I don't want to pick the nail to mess it up, and I don't want to do anything around it because it messes it up, and I just don't do it as much if I have nail polish on, or if I like put hand cream on, because then you can't see it as much. So just something like that that's going to make you not want to do it. Number 5 is to try and make it so that if you do go to do the habit, you will be able to stop yourself. Don't really know how to explain it, but basically if you're someone that bites your nails, you can get stuff that you can like paint on your nails that tastes really good, so that if you go to bite your nails, you'll taste it and you're like, ew, that doesn't taste very nice, and you don't do it. So something like that, or if there's nothing you can do for that type of thing, you could find something else to do in its place. So for me, if I was like going to mess with my nails, I could like, I don't know, pick up something like, I was going to say a pen, but I don't have one right now. But I could pick up something like a pen, if it's at school, this is my pen, and just sort of mess around with that and keep my hands busy so that I'm not tempted to do anything else. So if I just do something so that I'm not going to do the habit. And my final tip is just to persevere. You are probably going to break it a couple of times, but if you just try and keep it up, eventually you will hopefully break that habit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know some of your bad habits in the comments, because maybe some people can comment back and tell you how you can break them, or you can just share them, because I'm curious. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters, and I will see you next week. Bye.